Yes, this is Sugar Baby Daughters Gardening. I'm out here, yes, in my dress, in my slides. But I came out here originally just to take my dog out to pee. She got put back in the house because she kept on going in the car, under the car, trying to get whatever's under the car, and it keeps scratching her skin. And everybody know that you have a pit bull, their skin is sensitive anyway, and it's easy to shed their little thin coat hair. But anyway, fast forward. You know, I've talked about these roots, tree roots gardening, and I did talk about why I was not able to grow my not tomatoes. Maybe I need to grow some tomatoes. Why I was not able to plant my cantaloupe and watermelon. I was able to plant them, and they'll show the flowers, but they would die out. And then one day I decided to pull up my orange mint. I thought it was the orange mint stopping them from growing, but that wasn't it. I got to digging and digging, and I hit something that wouldn't go. I thought it was a wire pipe, but it was not. What it ended up being is roots from trees that's growing under my house. So here I'm back again in my slides that say sleigh. I usually wear my Ugg boots. People be hating on it because I wear a scarf and Uggs. But I wear my scarf for my health because sometimes my scalp is irritated. And I wear my Uggs because they protect my feet when you have arthritis. They're very comfortable. Out of all shoes that I have found, when my feet swell and they hurt so bad, the bones in them, all this. So this is a good moment for me to be able to be in today. So for all those haters, I love Ugg boots for arthritis. But can I get up today with this shovel? Woo! That's for me doing that, drop it like it's hot. But today, I said I wanted to plant my bush, my blueberry bush. So I'm going to plant my blueberry bush here, but guess what? I got to digging again and found another root. Do you see this? Big, thick root. So what it's going to require is me putting on my gloves that I happen to get at Family Dollar to protect my hands from calluses. And I'm going to have to flip my concrete. See, that's why I'm glad I didn't cement it in and do all that great stuff. See, I got to pull these up. I'm glad I'm able to move them. And let's see how far the root goes. We know it's going underneath the house. That's why I say no to roots. Most definitely say no to roots. They are horrible. So, that's why I say, when you get to digging and gardening, you'll find crazy things in your yard. So, let me get back to see how far this would go. Or if I'm going to have to pull up more 12 by 12 cement bricks. Hopefully not. I'm probably just going to break off what I see, because this one is pretty deep. Yeah, it goes a little bit further. So, as I go through here, you see this root? It's several of them in here. Tree is just growing and growing and growing. Whew. This is called hard work. But if you plan on living in your home, I broke it. I was able to break it apart. See this? It goes under the house, and so I'm going to have to kill off the root and dig more. But I'm not going to let it kill my day. Because see, the more you dig, the more you find. See, that's why. So sometimes we think that is, sometimes we think is what we plant in there, and sometimes it's something way underneath. And why I say get a metal shovel? Because I broke one before and did not know and thought I could pop it up. It's easy to get a good old metal shovel. This is Blue Hawk. I believe we got this at Home Depot. If not Home Depot, Lowe's sell them as well. There's another root in here that's just as big as the other one. So I just want to inform you about my backyard disaster for the fall. But I'm going to clear a spot so I can still plant my bush. Roots or no roots. But I do have to clear the way to make sure. And that's a big one, y'all. Y'all just don't know. It's a big one in here. When I say it's big, it's big. And see, the thing about tree roots, it does affect your, it can hit a pipe. I'm digging. So most definitely, that's a big bark. It'll take an axe for me to get it. It's real about that big around that's in the ground. And it's a lot of little small ones from different trees. It's a problem. So be careful when you're out here gardening and planting your trees. Make sure that you post them way away from your home, at least 100 feet away from your house foundation. And just consider on what kind of tree that you decide to plant. Because if your tree is going to grow real taller than more than what it's supposed to, past 12 to 16 feet, 10 feet, don't do it. Not 10 feet, not 50 feet. You might even want to go further than 100 feet. A lot of us like the little shade tree. It's very beautiful in the summertime and the spring for the trees, for shade, for the sun in Texas. But it's hectic to your home, to your water hose, the piping system, and for your water and gas and any other electrical. So I've been doing this about a month. Every so often I come out here and dig and dig and dig because I'm going to clear the way so I can be able to plant and finish my gardening. I'm not going to be able to pull every root up, but I'll be able to pull where I'm able to grow something in this little small bed. So hope you like and share. Please like and follow. And see you soon. Excuse my pooper. My flooper, because I do have a flooper.